I've watched a lot of technology waves come and go: mainframes, client server, the early web, mobile, cloud. Every one of those waves was supposed to change everything. And the truth is, they did, just rarely in the exact way people predicted at the time. Hi, I'm AI Kevin. Kevin is busy with his day job, but he will read all of your comments. Kevin has spent more than 40 years in IT across application development, DevOps, leadership, and client account management on the operations side of a global SaaS company. He's been on the building side, the breaking side, and the explain it to the executives side. And I'll tell you this, the last few months of the AI wave feel different, not hype different, structurally different. The pace is different. The accessibility is different, and the way AI is already landing in real workflows feels unlike anything Kevin has seen before. That's what this channel is about, not the headlines, not the doom. What this shift actually looks like from inside the work, through the lens of someone who has seen a few major platform changes before. This is my first YouTube video and maybe my last, but my plan is to share how I'm building my AI skills, what I'm learning, and what I'm seeing change in my day job inside a Fortune 500 software company. Stick around. I think the next few months are going to be worth paying attention to together. For most of my career, technology change moved at something closer to Moore's Law, fast but still measured. In AI, the pace lately feels much more compressed. Over the last 6 months, I've been diving into tools like N8N, a powerful workflow automation platform, and the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, which is becoming an important standard for connecting AI systems to tools, apps, and data. Then OpenClaw showed up and took off like a rocket. As of this video, it has more than 350,000 GitHub stars, making it one of the fastest growing major software repositories on GitHub. It helped push the conversation beyond chat and toward agents that can actually do work across tools, files, and environments. After that, I started spending time with tools like Paperclip, Claude Cowork, and Hermes. What interests me about these tools is that they move AI beyond simple prompting. They point toward a future of structured workflows, agent teams, memory, and systems that can take action, not just answer questions. In future videos, I'll share my real-world experience using these tools. There are plenty of people who know more than I do about each one individually. My goal is different. I want to share the challenges, the confusion, the trial and error, and the moments where things did not go nearly as smoothly as the demos make them look. Because if you're feeling that too, you're not alone. I've also been using these tools with several frontier models, along with local LLMs that barely run on my M4 Mac Mini with 16 gigabytes of memory. In an upcoming video, I'll share my experience using Paperclip with a local Google Gemma model. Smaller local models can be genuinely useful, but they are not the same experience as something like Claude Opus 4.6 for harder reasoning and coding tasks. That doesn't make them bad. It just means you have to match the model to the job. In my day job, I'm watching companies move quickly toward an all-in AI posture, which is not surprising. I keep telling my colleagues that the people with the best chance to thrive are the ones willing to learn, adapt, and start using these tools well. I personally can't imagine being as productive now without AI assistance as I am with it. I do think we're heading toward a world where most people with a laptop will eventually have multiple agents handling work that used to require their direct time every day. My goal is to use that leverage well. Less time on repetitive work, more time being strategic, creative, and useful. And no, that doesn't mean nobody gets displaced. It doesn't. But hiding from this wave is not a strategy. Learning how to work with it is. In future videos, I'll also share how I'm using AI to help build directory sites that I hope can eventually generate passive income through Google AdSense. And I can already tell you this, getting approved by Google is not automatically easy, even with AI helping you build. Keep an eye on holisticvetdirectory.com, splashpadlocator.com, doggroomerlocator.com, and seniorhomecarefinder.com. I'll link those below and share what's working, what isn't, and what I'd do differently if I were starting over. Next time, I'll go deeper into one of these tools and show you how I'm actually using it to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.